What's up guys, welcome back to No Cap Invest. Let's get straight to it. First ticker on the list is going to be ticker TRX. This is a gold mining company primarily operating in north central Tanzania. They are headquartered in Canada like a lot of gold mining companies. It is a penny stock trading about 38 cents a share. So be careful with it, but this is going to be another gold miner I have in my portfolio. Number 2 is going to be ticker NRZ. This is New Residential. This is one of the largest real estate investment trusts in America. They invest primarily in single family houses, and they do a lot of other stuff. This security took a huge hit during the pandemic like all real estate. However, in 2022, real estate is doing really well. Things like REITs are maybe something to look into, and I have 100 shares in them. Number 3 is going to be ticker MBII. This is Marine Bio Innovations, and they develop and sell biological products for crop protection, crop health, and crop yield. And these are supposed to be helping to increase yield, and this is a huge theme because in 2022, of course, we have the war with Ukraine. That's 25% of the world's grain and wheat supplies are out of stock, so that means we're going to have to make up the food supply somewhere else, and so that means we need to produce more food in all the other places that we produce food, and these products do exactly that. So I have about 100 shares in them. Number 4 is going to be ticker FLGC. This is Flora Growth Corp. This is going to be another marijuana company, marijuana startup out there. However, this one is actually in the portfolios of a lot of different hedge funds and interesting different investors out there. They've taken a huge hit during the pandemic and in 2022. So they're trading at about 66 cents a share. However, I do think this one has some good potential. Of course, use caution, do your own research, but marijuana is one of the big themes for 2020. The last one is a little bit interesting. It's called DD. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of it. DD Global is essentially like Uber, except based primarily in China. Their stock has taken a massive hit, not just because of the pandemic, not just because of 2022, but also because of the Chinese regulators and the American stock markets threatening to delist them because they are not providing proper accounting documents. They're not following GAAP principles. However, it looks like the problem with DD might have passed by now. Of course, when you're investing anything to do with China, you need to be extremely careful because at any time the Chinese Communist Party can just roll in and shut it down and take their assets. And this has happened to me in the past. I've had companies that I invested in China, and they were suddenly just delisted. And what happens then is that you just get the cash value of your stocks on the day that they were delisted. That's kind of it. So, of course, be very careful investing in this stock. However, if you see how things like Uber and Lyft did, and you take into consideration China's population, I think DD is a pretty safe bet for the future if it doesn't get delisted. Thanks for watching No Cap Invest. Like, subscribe, comment down below what I should make a video about next. Until next time.